Alright, so I bought this pole from Walmart. It was on clearance because it was broke. So we're going to try to put a new tip on it. Bought some tips just from there, just so I can get it up and going. So this one is really snug, but there's still some glue here. And then this one fits on it really loose. So I don't know which one we're going to go with yet. But first, we're going to take this sanding block. We're just going to sand it. Try to get rid of any of that leftover glue. Just try to get a good bonding surface also. Of course, when you need to find sandpaper, you never can find the piece that you're looking for. So I had this block, but it works really good. It's pretty soft. It's not too harsh. Alright, let's see here. This was that small one. I mean, it fits on there a lot better now. Alright, so we're going to take our glue. We're just going to heat it up. We're going to try this before I waited just a little too late on that. So that's going to be it for this little tutorial on how to replace a tip. Remember to get it all lined up. Remember the glue has to be hot. Remember that the stick or the rod has to be clean and ready, prepared. Remember to like, subscribe, and maybe drop me a comment down below. Y'all have a blessed day.